Hey, how's it going, guys? Benny Charles, founder of the Teach Me to Fish FX trading community, and I'm back with another trade update, guys. Here we are again with the same small account that I showed you guys yesterday. Okay, and again, I'm just simply showing you guys with the proper knowledge and trading strategy, which is accumulation and distribution. YouTube can institutional accumulation and distribution. YouTube can take small accounts and flip them with minimal risk. You guys can see my first trade here. Let me total transparency. I did take a pound USD trade, was in profit, held it too long, and this was yesterday. Held it too long and got stopped out for a deficit of $18.25. And then here is another S&P 500 trade. Well, these two. This one here, stop loss got hit. It was in profit, $7.61. I believe this is one where I tried to re-enter and it did go against me. So yesterday I did end up with a $17.38 deficit. All right, just to show you guys both sides of trading. And for total transparency, right now we basically have two 10-cent trades equaling 20 cents. And you can, if you look up to the top left here, oops, I wasn't supposed to do that, but if you look up to the top left here, you will see where we're up $66 right now. So we're up about 660 points, if you will, or you're talking about basically a 660x return. So both of the trades, the stop losses are in profit, so these are risk-free trades. We'll see how far we go. We do have I don't even know why I have these moving averages on here, because I really don't trade indicators like that. Don't use the RSI. The only thing I use is accumulation distribution along with volume at times. But we'll see, because we are getting ready to come into some turbulence here. If you look to the left, get ready to come into some turbulence here with price. So we'll see how many sellers are waiting in that area to try and push the market down. But hopefully this bull run right here, will be enough to get past this turbulence, this ambush of sellers. So yeah, I'm just gonna hold on to it and we'll see how much we can get. Like I said, these are risk-free trades. However, if price does retrace back on me, this is probably $5, and then this will probably be about like $1 or whatever. But yeah, just want to show you guys, if you guys are interested in joining a mentorship program that teaches you how to get the clutter off of your screen and trade simple price action and learning how to read market flow, then just click the link below this video or in the description. All right, guys, and remember, everything is exponential. So yeah, this is only $63, but think about it. This is 20 cents that we've turned into $63. Okay, and so everything is exponential. So if you have, if it was $2, this would be $630. All right, if it was $20, this would be over 6,000. So you guys do the math. If you have the capital, it all works the same. The strategy doesn't change. The only thing that changes is the account size. And again, I want to show you guys that it does not take a lot for you to start trading and actually start profiting from your trades and ultimately becoming a full-time trader. All right, if that is something that you want to do, or if you're just looking for something, a little extra income, then you can do that as well. So I always teach proper account risk management, so you'll never see me trying to flip an account or anything like that hastily, over leveraging. I don't believe in that. So yeah, again, if you want to join, just click the link in the description or the join button on the YouTube channel, or you can go to the teachmetofishfx.com/mentorship. All right, guys, thank you so much. Always remember, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. Happy good fishing. Bye-bye.